The Crown of England owns the beaches in Jamaica, all of Jamaica. You don't have a beach. You are granted permission through the Prime Minister's office. So you have the permission to use it, and that permission can be revoked. As the situation is evolving in Flankers Providence Beach at this time, where they just choose a developer and dispossess the...
So Crown lands are really a moving over of the holding of properties by the Crown on the colonial days. And despite independence, Crown lands is still a concept in terms of lands that were formerly Crown lands, now being administered by the government of Jamaica through the Commissioner of Lands. Right, so ownership still lies in the Crown, which is still referred to in our laws as the king or queen, her heirs and successors. But the authority of the Crown is exercised in the post-independence era by the Commissioner of Lands. Well, we should have in also removing the monarchy 60-odd years ago as well. If you retain the monarchy, then you're going to retain certain monarchical privileges, and the Crown lands and other such privileges are a part of what we have retained, unfortunately. I think that because we think of independence, we think that we're somehow divorced from the monarchy, but we're not. And that's just the reality, that the monarchy continues to be the head of state, for sure, and to continue as such to exercise certain authorities that they have done for centuries as the former colonizer,
So yes, peeps, this is Liquor Done Server in Ocho. So stick and stay and don't go away. Just watch the whole of the video. Yeah, that is it. Big up on yourself.
That I've ever had, every prize and treasure I found, yeah, every light, every smile, every tear of joy that I've cried, without you it means nothing at all, yeah. Give it all to you, give it all to you, God. Give it all to you. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. I give it all to you, God. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. You are the answer. You are that real love. I roll my hands up. You are the answer, you are the real love. I hold my hands up. Give it all to you. Yeah. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you.
Family, don't know, it's a boy Wally Fire 777, and it's a holiday in Jamaica here. It's a Monday and it's a holiday, so we're on the road today. You see what's happening, wait event there, wait a keep, you get me I say? Yeah, so just try the town to see what I go on, and if nothing I go on Montego Bay, we go elsewhere. Yeah, they're on the road without fear. So we're just trying the road. So if it's the first time tuning into your channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, big up yourself, enough love and respect. Or keep coming back to support the movement. One fire, all the fire. Yeah, so that's a walk on the streets of Montego Bay. And as I say, we're going to see what's happening today. Holiday, can't stay home. You know, if you're in the street, like the white line, we gotta be in the street like the white line. And today I do another wrong thing again. I wear this pants. And this pants have an issue. Yeah, anyway, they're on the road this. So I'm gonna go walk here, so. to be very careful when you step on the manual here, because a lot of times they will give way and leave you in there. And the police are up on the road harassing civilians, bad up civilians. Yeah. So they're actually having an event out here. Yeah.
Today, the Jamaican Municipal Corporation, the JCBC,
so let's see what's happening. Can't cross. You can't cross. Sure you can walk, you can't go by there.
No, you can't go by it.
Alright.
You can't go by it.
Oh, so public and access.
No.
Okay.
No problem. That is vacation, but no public.
Okay. Alright peeps, so they're keeping something in the car. And they're saying that no public. So no, I turn back this one. Since they don't want to walk this one. So they are keeping something and they're saying it's not public, it's private, it's by invitation. Wow, in the square. Imagine that. But as I said before, if we're going somewhere and there's no and if there's nothing going on in Mobay, we're going to say go on and in. If there's nothing going on in Mobay, we're going to head to somewhere else. So that's the plan for the day. Yeah. So we're having something in Shamshark Square, but they are saying it's something in the square, but they are saying it's by invitation. So the public is not accessible to the public. Wow. Only in Jamaica. So you're walking on the streets then. How me say still? As we say peeps, because we a team can't stay home. Now look where the event they come say it's a holiday. And it's a holiday, yeah. You know we have to give Father thanks for guide and protection on the road. Yes, and cramp and paralyze all the enemy them and the pagan them. Yes, and render them powerless. Yes, and no weapon that form against us shall prosper, and every tongue that rise up against us shall be condemned. Yeah. So that is it, peeps. So I'm gonna say you can't walk. Yes, so neither.
You don't want that for yourself, yeah?
You can see the road clean, peeps. The road is so clean. Because it's a holiday. It's a holiday. So I guess they are awarding some people. Okay, I see. So they're awarding certain people certain award. Typical Jamaica lady walk over there, she's gonna give a crap. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so they're awarding certain people. So public have to stay far and look. Wow. Why new peeps? We're there. As we say, Montego Bay. Right now, it's not the place So we are going somewhere else. Yeah, we are going somewhere else. Let me take back this back street here, so. Yeah. And yeah, can run us longer. So yes, peeps, and if you don't watch TikTok, if you guys watch TikTok, about a year ago or so, this guy when named Bossed was on TikTok around here, so them unalive him. Right on this street here. He was unalive. Yeah. Yeah, so Montego Bay cool now still. You see? Yeah. Which one am I there again? Oh. Yeah. So remember I'm there now. So let's see where we can reach today, please. Let's see where we can reach today.
No, sir. Report that now.
And the sun is hot. Not yet, not yet. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I go boom bang and then we go up on the road. As we say in Jamaica.
No, Mr. Bobby.
I go boom bang and then we hit the road. So yes, peeps, let's get a bus or a vehicle rather we have to go in Falmouth, yeah. And we can stop on the road when I must end up at Falmouth. Not sure if I'm gonna reach all the way in Falmouth to see what's happening or wherever I might reach. Yeah, let's see where we're gonna reach, peeps. There's a Falmouth there. But you know this one.
Falmouth teacher. Where's the Falmouth?
Nobody in the vehicle yet, peeps, so I have to wait until the vehicle full. And it's like, what time now? After 1 already? Yeah, after 1 already. Yeah, so I'm on the road. Today is Monday and it's after 1 already. I'm gonna go on the road, get a video for you guys to watch. Cause you know, I can't be home and not have anything to edit. Yeah, so I'm going on the road. So this life, YouTube life, is not really easy. If you don't have a lot of videos, if you don't have videos that they're already done, I don't really like to have a lot of videos more time. I like to have fresh stuff, you know? Yeah. So I'm heading on the road now. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going where the spirit leads. Yeah, so yeah, Falmouth, Ochi, wherever the spirit leads, then I'll go. But I don't think I'm heading to Ochi. Yeah, because that's gonna take a lot of time. So see, the other day I was going to Ochi and I didn't get a straight vehicle. Now this vehicle is going all the way to Ochi. Sometimes you will get vehicles like that. Sometimes they have to park in the park. Yeah. When you peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. On fire, hold fire. See, peeps, actually I'm in Falmouth. And Falmouth look clean too. Like nothing now going in Falmouth. But like we're actually late. Some police on the road look like something was going on here. Yeah. Like something was going on. Think I hear say I go out, man. So look like they had some from a march and thing. Not sure. So yeah, we're in a Falmouth, peeps, as I say. But as I say, plus I see what's happening today in Jamaica, yeah, all over. So I don't know how far we might reach. We might reach at Ochi, Punishtown, Kingstown, Downtown. So just stick and stay. Never can tell where it might reach. But we know we're not reaching at the beach. Okay. So they had something in the town here to some, yeah. So they have something in some Shark Square, and they have something here in I don't know what's the name. And they had something here in Falmouth. But there is a lady here so also that sell ear care product. Also they have some farmer. But a police vehicle and sitting so they look like they had something here. Yeah. Let me see if she's selling her products like she used to. If she's here, because it's a holiday. Let's see if she's here, peeps. No, she's not here because no, she's not here. So at least civilians are allowed here. But in Montego Bay, civilians are not allowed. They say it's a private thing.
Dr. Amy, a man whose healing hands and generous heart continues to make a difference in the lives of many. Dr. Amy.
Let me get to it. Are they afraid to mash it up? Afraid of damage it? Look, not the pan, you're out there, so. Okay. No, you're afraid to mash it up? Oh. You. If you're afraid to mash it up, you're not all that ugly.
What do you mean not all that ugly?
You know what I'm saying? All the ugly people don't want the camera kitchen. No. No, I tell you. Going across Jamaica, and normally ugly people don't want the camera kitchen. Seriously. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, let's say boring bad. Where the action at? Where the action at?
Yeah, man. Oh, in red. In them red now.
A dedicated educator and a servant.
But anyhow, peeps, we're not going to stay here because it's boring, as you can see.
To shaping minds and inspiring excellence.
Probably end up, probably go to Ochi or somewhere else, peeps. It's quite boring here in Trelawney also. Yeah. Stick and stay, peeps. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, it's a boy Wildfire 777. I know we're there right across. So reach at Ochi, really. I'm reaching at Ochi town yet. I'm not currently in Ochi town, but alright, across from Duns River Falls. So that is Duns River Falls. But we are not going by Duns River Falls today. I have been there already. So some man over there saw wash car. So around here, so you have water coming, a river from up in the hills. Look at that, river from up in the hills. So a lot of water in here. I'm not sure no face, so I go on. Water running, so yeah. There's so much water, peeps, coming from up the hills. Look at that. Fresh river water coming from way up in the hills. Way up in the hills, the water coming. Yes, brother. How the river your name? How the river your name? I don't see the river. Okay. Way up in the hills that come from. Way up in the hills that come from. Jaja. And then we short of water more time. We don't get it. And then sometimes we short of water. We can't. Instead we don't know water. You know what I say? Oh, sir. Look at water, peeps. This is water. Fresh, clean water. So right along the road here, a lot of go straight up, water run across the road. underneath the road. They set it that water can run underneath the road, people. So this is water. Pure water. Look at that. Coming from up in the hills. Eh? The girl them? I'm not party no girl. Now give me 2 girls to party with. Eh? Jamaica? Yeah. Eh, Amek? They are Sanga Beach? I can't Sanga Beach? Exactly. So yes, Pete, this is a lot of water. I'm going to go across the road again, please, and show you. The road is busy, you know, people. Look there. See water here? Run come from all the way from across the road there and come out down there, so people. Look there. Look at water. Look at water. So you have the property over here, so full of water. And this is the reason why I'm showing you this, people. Full of water. Look at that property over there, so. If you go GoPro can pick it up. If you look over there, so full of water. I don't know if it's a private property or what this is, but yeah, but over there so full of water, people, based on the water right along here, so all this road here, so water run underneath it. Come over the property here. Gone back into, so that water run back, gone back into the sea. Yeah, that water gone back into the sea, peeps. So as I say, I've done it about the road so. And it's the same river they say that the same river that run go across run come from Duns River. So it's the same river. Don't know what this is. It's a restaurant. Okay. It's like it's not open. It's not open. No smell anything. Sports bar and something there, so. Yeah. So yes, please. So we are heading towards Little Duns River. That's where we're heading towards. And today is holiday. So a lot of people at the beach. I think they have Dolphin Cove somewhere here, so. Yeah. So I've walked this road before, but as I say, it's for a specific reason why I stop. You hear the peeps? That's water coming out of the hill. See me again right down there, so. You hear the water running again right down there, so. So there's no reason why even in Jamaica we shouldn't have a whole lot of water, fresh water running down into the sea. So I guess down there, so you have yeah, you have a dolphin them, yeah. Wow. So yes, peeps. So if it's the first time tune into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, love what you do and do what you love. Yeah. So a lot of times these men around here, they get work because the water, they have water on the roadside. They use it to wash people's car. So that's free water. So just improvise and use the water, make the best of it to wash car, and make a revenue from that. Even further up the road, so they have a spring, and they use the spring water to wash cars. See me, people come there and catch water. So I'm going to show you that, peeps. Going to show you guys that. Yeah. Going to show you. So don't go nowhere, stick and stay. It's your boy Wildfire 777 coming to you from Jamaica. Afternoon.
Is Dolphin Cove closed?
I have no idea. I'm not from Ochus, Richos.
Oh, so you don't know how to drive it?
I have no idea. Maybe you could ask someone down there. So that's a guy down there cleaning a car. That one? You could ask him. Okay. Yeah. So yes, peeps. So people want to enter this building. I mean, I think maybe it's closed. I'm not sure. Because someone should have been here. I don't know. I've never been there, but last time I was passing, still a security was there. So I guess when the security not there, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. So yes, peeps. So we are walking towards Little Duns River. And it's a reason. So when you don't go nowhere, you know, don't go nowhere. You get what I'm saying? Don't go nowhere. Stick and stay. Yeah? Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. It's a good little walk, but we're almost there. Not a good little walk, I say. Less than 10 minutes walk. Because I've been recording Falmouth now. 6 minutes. Yeah. So I'm almost there. Yeah. And sometime in life, peeps, you have to just follow the spirit leads. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Because I remember seeing an article on Facebook and a few little video clips also. Yeah. That I've been seeing from the other day about Little Downs River and some other situation that I've seen on social media platforms here in Jamaica. So anyhow, peeps, stick and stay. Let me save my battery. So yes, peeps, I'm back. Wipe off my camera. Yeah. So there you have Mystic Mountain over that side. So Mystic Mountain is very close to Little Downs River. So I see a lot of vehicles park at the side, so I don't know, maybe it's open still. Maybe it's open still. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's open still. Yeah, because a lot of people park there. Typical Jamaicans, you know, you can't really stop them to that. Yeah. So as I say, Mystic Mountain on my right, Little Downs River forward in front of me. Yeah. So let's go on. Oh, papi, you want to go on? How do you open back it? You open back?
Yeah, no.
I'm still lock up over there.
Yes, you must drink today, you know.
Oh.
You must drink today, you family today.
But that may I say, come here and say, to me see them put up new fence and sitting. I don't want to tap poor people. Oh, you open back, peeps. Because the other day I saw some video clips and stuff that it was locked, closed off from the public and, you know, and thing. So I guess a lot of people talking about it. Yeah, so they put new fence in and stuff like that. Yeah. A lot of new fencing, peeps. So people there see me here today. Yeah. So this is the public beach. Yeah. This is the public beach and I didn't carry my shoes or anything, peeps. Imagine that. Nothing at all, no shorts, nothing at all. I never care walk with. Okay, so people can enter from here, so yeah, people can enter from here, but somebody have to keep it clean. That's the thing. Yes, Jenna. So we're there today again, peeps. A Little Downs River, check out how the place stay. Yeah, and as we say, a holiday. It's a holiday. So it's a positive art and nothing. Open. Let me see, I've never been in here. Is that open? Oh no. It's not open. It's open. But it's not open. So I've never been in there. I was just gonna take a look. Yeah. See, so the other day I saw it on social media that it was closed. But it looked like it opened back. Yeah. That's good. People there are full dry, and peeps, it is a nice beach. It's not like Downs River. Yeah, it's not like Downs River. Yeah, this is Little Downs River. This is Little Downs River, peeps. Alright, so let's see what's going on down here. So this is the entrance. This is the entrance. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yes, peeps. Open back. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cause you know, I say I can do one video today because I say I see them like them lock up here. So I'm surprised when I come and see what I say, yeah. Because I really I got highlight it more. Oh, should be up with the fence and it's like I want a dog, I want security. I think I cut them and cut out here again. Because people are complaining about, so I say, oh, clean it. You get what I say? Because even my friend just talk like a while and I say, yo, Ray, over clean it if nobody there to clean it. Over pay, over clean it. Yeah, I say, over clean it. You hear me I say? Other places, you know, in the Caribbean, you know.
Fire youth. Yes, ma'am.
You see other places in the Caribbean, like Cayman and stuff, they have public beaches, you know. But guess what? The government get people every morning go clean it. Government do that yourself, so we'll clean it. We'll pay you to clean it. But at least. So all that me I say I can check out the place and say, I'm glad to see come and see open back. Yeah. Yeah man, now big up on yourself. Alright. So yes peeps, we're there and I don't see her again. And yes daddy, if you had the Kong soap. Kong soap. You know remember me, give me that Kong soap man.
Yeah man, a Kong soap.
Let me know what's a Kong soap man, no time alone the Kong soap. Yeah. 5 years ago, you know, them have chicken foot and then sitting there.
Yeah, man, alive and the thing direct, man, and then
yeah, man.
Solid, man.
Let me not come here, come here there, man, and I say that, this is one video clip like them, I lock it down, I'm the security with dog over here and sitting.
Well, they not lock down the place, they don't like that, but them are trying to keep it and analyze basic. Towards government system and what them are get.
Yeah.
To put them eyes.
But then I find out, say, big thing, I didn't know that in Jamaica, the public have no right to the beach because the beach belongs to the crown.
Yeah, them not give a public
so
no right. So that wrong.
I just know, we know that.
That wrong, see, because over here pay public. But
yeah.
As me say,
the people are majority, not the minority, you know.
Yeah.
We run things. We elect who did it.
Yeah.
You get me I say? Them did it to represent we. The thing is Jamaican people behave like say them right have the right to do what they want that we put
that's
them
right.
there.
I whenever you me see on the internet overseas I walk with one flag.
Flag?
No. Jamaican flag.
I know me man.
But you look like somebody now want something like this in my man.
Yeah. Come here already still man, now what they are?
Yeah.
Me, Jason and but just let me know about the place you know.
What you mean man?
Yeah man.
You have to go up on the live man and build up the live man.
I mean Jason company.
Yeah man.
Let me know about the place man.
Strength here.
Yeah man.
Put on that.
How much money that is? 3 bills? I don't say 3 bills man, that is so reasonable. To watch it. Alright, boss. See? Yeah, man. So, you said the chicken and everything else, you know?
Yeah, right, Andy.
Oh, no fish?
No fish.
Watch it then, man. Yeah, and see, then you're supposed to have fish. Yeah, you're supposed to have fish.
You see me there, Rolly.
But the holiday today, man. You know, me always love the soup. Yeah. The pepper. Pepper, right, man. Yeah. You see peeps? People up, face up again. I look good. So this is liquor down river peeps. Yeah, man. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So yes peeps, we're at Liquor Duns River and this is one of the hottest place in the Watcherius. Liquor Duns River, yeah. And you know it's been here for years, one of the hottest place, as I say. People here full dry themselves at eat and you know, full dry the water. Yeah. Yeah. So yes peeps, what it look like. From this side, upper people up on the beach. This is Liquor Duns River. As I say, you got the river up there and then you got the sea down the bottom. Yeah, and it's a nice vibe. Bring your family and thing, you know. Nice little place, peeps. And just come on full drive. Yeah. So let me take a selfie to use as my thumb drive, as my thumbnail. Yeah, let me take a selfie to use as my thumbnail. Yeah. definitely. But it's a nice place, peeps. So Una come here, have a full joy, come full joy. Actually the government of Jamaica want control it at one point, but people may not allow it, so yeah. And it was run by a local for years now, years now. They clean it up and keep it clean, yeah. So I want to support them, I want to come, make sure I buy something from the vendor them, yeah. They have a place away, you know, and keep the place clean. And they have bamboo raft in here, so yeah. Look down there, you see bamboo raft down there to taste, and trust me, the water, I've been, first time I came here, so make the second time I come here, but never bring me shorts because I thought that it was locked. So the other day I saw it on social media say it was closed down. But apparently they say they open it back, government open it back. So yeah. So I went there, so, and trust me, the water really refreshing. I didn't want to move. This is river water coming from out of the hills of Senton. Real natural water, peeps. A lot of water, you know. So just imagine this. Jamaica is paradise, peeps. Just let's preserve it and full dry it. Yeah. Yeah, and not too privatize nothing. People in full dry the beach. So anyway, peeps, we're going to go down to now and we're head back in Ocho Town. The fireman, I want to come, I want to see a fireman. Yeah, if you want a locker, and get a locker, secure the things them. Yeah, and the fireman has to show them and sell and some craft and sit and make sure you support him. You get me I say? So big up yourself, fireman. If I want cheer, you can get it from the fireman too. Alright, I'll cut now, yeah? Alright, brother. So, we're leaving now, peeps.
Yes,
and we're head down. I don't know, come on, I want to no good kong soap, I no link Papa Pay. And in soap taste nice stuff, no joking, and affordable. Yeah. Yeah. I want to come on, I want to liquor, no link daddy. Over here, sir, and mommy. They might have the liquor them. Yeah, big up yourself, mommy.
Are you up on TV, sir?
Yeah.
Are you there with us?
Yeah, you're up on TV a long time. From the time you're there, sir, you're global. You know, you're bigger than Usain Bolt. From the time you're there, sir. So, not sure Papa P? I share her. Oh, I share her. Oh, alright. So yes, peeps. So I'm leaving Lowdown River now and I'm heading into Ocho Town. So, put me a walk out there, so show another spring. It's a nice spring. Yeah. So they say UDC want to develop it. So I hope they don't cut the small people out of it. Yes, and use the same people. Because as I say, them always clean it up. This is the guys them who sell there and all that. They clean up the garbage and put them outside here. So, and we know, say in Jamaica, if you should give the beach just to the people them like that, then they would mess it up. So you have to have people to monitor it and clean it up. Yeah. So here, they have crazy amount of vehicle park with us. A lot of people over there. I didn't even see that it was so much people over there, but a whole lot of people, they're over there, people. Enough people over there. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk go down on the road. See if I get a taxi. But I'm gonna walk go to the spring first. Showing the spring. And see me drink some of the water. I'm gonna drink some of the water first. Yeah. And then I get a taxi going to Ocho. I'm not gonna walk today. It's a lot of walking. But this is a holiday in Jamaica. This is a natural thing. Whenever you have a holiday like this in Jamaica, people park alongside the road and they go to the beaches. Yeah, if you see the bus like that, coaster bus like that, you know it's a beach trip. What we call a beach trip, they charter a bus and whatever it, or some of them might keep a beach trip, like person might keep a big trip by saying that, big up yourself, brother. So people, some person might keep a beach trip by saying that they're gonna charge you money and they make a profit from it. But they just charter a bus and they tell you how much they're gonna charge you. So that's another way of making a revenue in Jamaica also. When I say want to see beach, so people there sell same way, people are still trying to make a revenue. You know, typical Jamaicans. That's how we roll. Yeah, and I say crazy amount of vehicle park up. Because it's a holiday. Today is Monday. What date again? 20th? Something like that. I just assume. I make sure today 20th. Yeah, today 20th of October. So today is Heroes Day, National Heroes Day in Jamaica. So it's a public holiday. So of course people out here like crazy. So I also get some drone footage. Even though I need to shout out my drone, I fly my drone with a big risk because the propeller that need changing. I couldn't bother to change but I fly it, see me. But anyhow, that was that. So as I say, it's a holiday in Jamaica and people up on the beach. Anyway, then the beach in my reach. Yeah. And in Jamaica, I want to pee. So let me see if I can find some stick and stick. So yes, peeps, I am back on the road. I am back on the road. Driving my 10-toe turbo. Yeah. And this pants that I have on is not the best of pants. Because the pants here are tough. But anyway, yeah. And if you look up the road there, so if you look up the road, you will see. Whoa, what crazy. You can't wait. This is a 2-lane. You get me I say? Coming from the opposite direction. Just two lane alone. And he's overtaking. So somebody must come out of the road and give him away. That's crazy. Real crazy. Anyhow, all in Jamaica. Yes, peeps, so if you look along the beach, you have people selling beach shoes and towels and stuff like that, you know? Yeah. Everybody hustling. Yeah. Because you know that's Jamaicans' main way of income, earning a living in Jamaica. It's hustling. Yeah. Yeah, we say hustling, selling whatever they can. You see a gentleman across the road selling plantain, jelly and mangoes. So let me go across. I'm gonna get some of the spring water. Alright. Oh, no more vehicle gonna come now. Oh. 1, 2. I have to wait to cross. I could have crossed, but better to wait. Watch here now, I'm overtaking now. Watch him overtaking. I tell you, crazy overtaking. Only in Jamaica. Yeah. And he just overtake one car and he now go far. Yes, brother. So alright. You have car washman out here now. I'm gonna wash car. And guess what I'm gonna use wash car? He's using spring water to wash car. Just imagine that. Spring water. Can you imagine that? Getting a car washed by spring water. Yeah. Only in Jamaica. Only in Jamaica. Best water to wash car, brother. Real spring water. Yes. Only in Jamaica. Yes. That's rich. Yes. Real snarl can use spring water wash car. That's rich, peeps. I'm gonna use spring water wash car, peeps. Spring, and here is the spring, peeps. Here is the spring. Alright, here is it. Bless, brother. And here is the spring, peeps. Yeah, look here. This is coming out of the hills. The spring here is coming out of the hills, peeps. Yeah. And of course, I am drinking some. People come here with big water bottles to catch water. Look, where that come from, peeps? Up in there, so. Look up there. May I put it cap? Oh, yeah, where does the people that come from? Look up there. See? Underneath this one. That come from. We up underneath the peeps. That is natural spring water, peeps. And then they go down there, so, and they run underneath the road and go back to the sea. This is how rich Jamaica is. This is how rich Jamaica is. Look there. With all of this bush and thing. Sometimes I guess some of them here probably have some hole or something, I don't know. This is like a mountain. Look at it. This is a mountain, peeps. And water coming out of the mountain. Fresh water. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, fresh water. From all them tree here. But all the rock them. Yeah, fresh water from the spring, peeps. You can't get no fresher than that. No fresher than that, you can't get it, peeps. No better than that. Only in Jamaica. And the man then stop, wash their car right here, so with spring water. Where in the world is people washing car with spring water? Nowhere in the world. You can't ever say that. People washing car with spring water. Only in Jamaica. So I get a taxi rider, so I now walk when I watch it. You can't bother with that. That's too much for me right now. That is just too much for me. Let me say I get a taxi, peeps. So stick and stay with me, don't go nowhere. We're there in Ochi again, but a different thing with the pan today. We are on different thing. This is not a public bus, it's like a Jota tour. Yes, I'm right, it's a Jota. That's not a taxi. This is not a taxi. I'm sure when I'm going to Ochi tour, you're going to see a lot of beaches that are full. Because in Ochi you can find a lot of beaches. Unlike Montego Bay, not Montego Bay, unlike Kingston you don't have a lot of beaches. In Kingston, you have hotel and nice places and stuff, but mostly on the north coast, Ochi, Montego Bay, Negril, that's where you find most beaches. Yeah, and some place in St. Catherine you can find beaches also, but most beaches are mainly on the north coast. Yeah, north coast is nearer to the sea. Watch now, overtaking, crazy. At least in go back in. I tell you. I'm looking for red plate. Actually, it is safe for me to walk in, but it might look like, but you know, near. I did it twice before. No, I think once before I did it, walking, and trust me, never nice. It was once. Was it once? Yeah, no, I think it was twice. Twice I walked. Twice, because I came to Duns River and then I walked going in the town, and I came to Liquor Duns River and then I walked going in the town again. I think I walked that time too. I'm not going to walk this time. That's too much walking for me. Can't manage that, peeps. I am not going to do that. Yeah. I'm not even blue over me now, say I'm a taxi. Unless I drive fast. Yeah. Bless. Alright, stick and stay, peeps. So yes, peeps, we're in Ochi town again. Ochi town. And I've never passed through the market yet in Ochi. Never. A true man, he shot too much. You don't know what happened to him, daddy. Bless. There, you know? Alright. Sorry, peeps, as I say, everywhere I go, people know me. Oh gosh, man. So, I walk through Outer, maybe beside market or to the market, road part of the market. Yeah. What if I walk through? Not talk through. That'll be closed part. The closed part. Yeah. Think about this, peeps. You know, like this. So you like that? No, look bad. Fire, man. There, you know. Why I want to buy something from him now. Buy new people that's a walk through and a talk through. This is the outskirt of the market. I would have buy a breadfruit, but I can't bother walk with no load. Honestly. But no, that. Everyone I'm going to buy. Aki. Even Aki. Should I pass the Aki? Oh Lord. Miss, much a dozen for Aki? 500. Is it Aki of life? Is it Aki of life? $5 a dozen? Oh, give me only a dozen then. Give me some of a dozen then. So this is Aki, and I said this is Jamaican national dish. Yeah.
You want it in a pot? Or you want like that?
No, miss, no pod around here. Give me them, pick them out for me, one. No disrespect, miss, but no pod.
One dozen?
Yes, miss. How much is one dozen again? 15?
500.
No,
12.
12. Oh, 12 or 15? Okay. Let's ask, I make sure. On a 15. No one rob you know. I know you don't want to rob me too, not true?
Nah, benefit me.
Exactly. Should I get myself a breadfruit? But I just can't bother with the load. Okay, so far now, with the load. How about breadfruit? Breadfruit. Oh Lord. I'm gonna think about it too much. I have one pot of rice and peas, I'm gonna need a breadfruit. I have one pot of rice and peas so I can cook some ackee with it. Yeah. With some real Jamaican coconut milk. Not no milk powder in a bag. Can't find a $5, miss. Let me see one. Like I saw one. So what's a $5? People need $500 Jamaican. It's like a $5 anyhow. It is like a $5. Very little value. Yeah. What's more? Yes, mommy did it well for me. So let me put it in my bag. Thank you, miss. Let me put it in my bag now. Alright, that's all right. Alright, peeps. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here, peeps. Alright. Alright, mommy. Yeah. Yes, peeps.
Nice beer over here.
This is the market.
Good eating beer over here.
Alright, this is our Mark X. This is the X of the mark. The mark of the X. So this here's mainly clothes them sell out here. I'm probably sure holiday. I don't see nothing I like, man. I have look now. I'm look still, look not hurt for look.
Yeah, but white one
Black shoe on. Let's look still. Let's not catch me eye quick. That's why I look fast, you know. Alright. So you know you want people can look fast. Look already, man. Eh? I look already, man. I look fast, you know. Show me know what I want. Eh? I read but I don't look, man, but you don't have none. Black. Uppers one. Yeah. No, I don't like Air Force, I'm telling you the truth. They're too popular. No, man, I don't like clocks. I have Wallaby, I don't want a clock. I never wear on clocks, I'm born yet. Alright. I can't stop a man from trying to. I have to try to make a sale, you know. But anyway, I'm just looking and I want nothing to buy today. I ain't intending on buying anything at all today. I'm just looking. So we are walking back down to the bus park and I go back at Montego Bay quick and fast. Pass through Ochi. No itching. You get what I'm saying, kids? Quick and fast, no itching. Yeah, but there's a lot of clothes I sell here, so the ladies over here are selling clothes. No, not way over there upon you. And you sell ugly people cover up their face, but you're not ugly, so you know you cover up your face. No, you're not ugly. And the camera way over here so front you and you cover up your face. I can't believe I do that. May I like come over there, because I look on you. May I look on your shot. And your shot. You know I'm looking at your shots them. You know I'm looking at your shots them. You know I'm looking at your shots them. So you tell me something, we tell me something.
You rugged now, so you're not video now.
So you're rugged, you know what I'm saying? We're not rugged. If that's what you call rugged.
We have to walk on a...
Oh. Okay, what's your selling shots of her? Yeah.
We have jeans, we have short cut off for 2.5.
Yeah, all the fire 777 TV. All the fire 777 TV. Yeah, what say about it?
2.5 and 3 grand.
Okay. Okay. Alright, you there so all the while?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm pass to watch you regular. So I'm definitely gonna give you a sale. Alright, style don't look too bad.
Yeah, the style is active.
Yeah, very active. Alright. And the ugly people hide themselves on camera, yeah? Yeah, I'm not ugly. So yes, it's ladies are hiding from the camera even before you go nowhere near to them. Oh, so the park locked today. Oh, see? I close, see girls them. Look there. Hey, trouble. Trouble. So I realized that majority of the parks in Jamaica, the parks, bus parks are closed on holidays. I don't know why. So you have to go up on the road side to get vehicle. Yeah. So let me see what I got Montego Bay. Oh, some Ochi Montego Bay vehicle there. So for me, like a football match I go on to. Let me say a football match me I go on. Because it's still early in the evening. Oh, that's on the radio. Oh, that's on the TV rather. Yeah. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I know I'm gonna one fire, all fire. I love what I do what I love. It's a holiday in Jamaica, but actually it's pretty boring. Apart from Liquor Dance River. But elsewhere, it's kind of boring for me. But anyhow, we're heading on back to Montego Bay. Just stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. One fire, all the fire.
every plan, every dream that I've ever had, every prize and treasure I found. Yeah. Every light, every smile, every tear of joy that I've cried, without you it means nothing at all. Yeah. Give it all to you, give it all to you, God. I give it all to you, 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 God. I give it all to you, I give it all to you. You are the answer, you are that real love. I roll my hands up. Yeah. You are the answer, you are that real love. I roll my hands up. Give it all to you. Yeah. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Yeah. Give it all to you. You are the answer. You are that real love. I throw my hands up. In the dark, on a road, with all familiar feelings, I know I hear a song, but it ain't so clear. No. And when it rains, it falls hard, and there's a weight I've carried so far. Will we fly, or will I fall here? You